State and federal health officials are responding to an unexpected tuberculosis outbreak in Indiana. Tuberculosis is a disease caused by bacteria that can become contagious and even deadly.
Yeah, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention tells WRTV investigates tuberculosis, a cluster, is tied to a bone repair product used in Indiana hospitals. Tonight, our Kenney is digging into how this happened and what's being done now to help patients.
So far, the Indiana State Department of Health is aware of at least 30 cases of tuberculosis in our state linked to FiberCell, a product used for spine and orthopedic procedures. Michelle Hargrave of Ridgeville, Indiana, thought she was going in for a routine back surgery on April 20th, a disc fusion at Reed Hospital in Richmond.
The surgery was a success.
But days later, Michelle knew something wasn't right.
You know, I'm having chills, fever. I just felt like somebody just beat me up.
Michelle's doctors told her the product used in her back, FiberCell, had been voluntarily recalled. FiberCell's website shows it's manufactured by Azeo Biologics and sold through Medtronic. The FDA made the recall announcement June 2nd after some patients developed tuberculosis.
What was your reaction when you found out there was a recall on this product?
My thought, I was just scared to death. I really was. I honestly have never been so scared, ever.
Michelle was initially placed in isolation as tuberculosis can be contagious, even deadly.
I can't even express how scared I was that day.
Michelle did test positive for tuberculosis. She's not contagious, but now must take 4 medications a day. A nurse with the health department has to watch her take the pills in person and over Zoom.
I can't just go to the sink, you know, take the pills and it'd be done. I have to be on a face call with her and she has to watch me take it.
Michelle is not alone. State health officials are investigating a link between at least 30 cases of tuberculosis and one particular donor lot of FiberCell. Records show the bone repair product was used at DuPont Hospital in Fort Wayne, Surgicare in Bloomington, and Reed Hospital in Richmond between March 5th and April 20th of this year. The CDC says a total of 37 facilities in 20 states received the impacted product. Carmel law firm Wagner Reese filed 4 lawsuits just last week on behalf of patients treated in Indiana.
All they wanted to do was go in for a simple surgery, and now their life has been forever altered.
They're suing FiberCell's manufacturer, seller, and distributor, alleging the product was defective, unreasonably dangerous, and that its labeling had no warning about the risk of tuberculosis infection. Attorney Tim Carnes says the bone repair product is harvested from cadavers and is tested for HIV, hepatitis, and syphilis.
They either didn't test for tuberculosis or whatever they did do was inappropriate and didn't work.
Carnes says the impact on patients has been devastating.
And it's not just medical bills, too. It's also lost wages. These people haven't been able to go back to work.
The CDC tells WRTV investigates, at present, there is no indication that other units of FiberCell are affected by this situation. All facilities and states have been contacted, and all unused units have been sequestered. The CDC says all Indiana patients who receive the product are getting full treatment for tuberculosis, even if they don't have symptoms. Reed Hospital in Richmond tells WRTV they've identified 7 patients who received the affected product, and all patients have been notified.
Something went wrong, and they need to figure that out before this happens down the road to somebody else.
Michelle has been out of work since her surgery and is struggling financially and physically.
Some people don't understand. This isn't just going to go away. Like, I'm on medication for 12 months and it could be longer from what they said. It's not just a 10-day regimen of an antibiotic. It's nothing like that.
She filed a lawsuit in the hopes of getting help with her medical bills and to hold the companies responsible.
These companies do need to be accountable for the lives that they've touched, everybody that this has gone in.
The Centers for Disease Control tells me they are working to determine how the tuberculosis contamination happened in the first place. The CDC says they're also working with state and local health departments and hospitals to prevent similar outbreaks in the future. Working for you, Kara Kenney, WRTV.
Kara, thank you. DuPont Hospital tells us they have finished testing for patients who have received the product and are now working with health officials on the matter. FiberCell's manufacturer tells us, quote, "We cannot comment on pending legal matters. Zio continues to work with the FDA and the CDC and is committed to a thorough, timely, and transparent investigation." And the seller says, quote, "Medtronic is working closely with the Zio and the CDC to notify all customers who may have received products from the affected lot that is subject to this voluntary recall." Medtronic has suspended all distribution of Zio's FiberCell VBM until completion of the CDC investigation with Zio, end quote. You can read the full statement in this story on WRTV.com and at the WRTV app.